All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at SENS, Senseonics. Okay, and this video is a viewer request. So if you have any stocks that you guys want me to analyze or any cryptos you want me to analyze, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to do it for you. With that being said, we're looking at the weekly chart on Sens right now. And so this is basically what I got. Okay. Um, so to me, we have a symmetrical kind of triangle pattern forming here on Sens. So, if you're bullish on it, this is what I would play. Okay. So, I mean, you could try to trade this up to here, right, and catch this momentum right up to here. Um, and in my opinion, I think it'll just go back down. I think we'll do something like this and just keep kind of pitter pattering in between these trend lines for now until we have a breakout in either direction. Okay. So we have a huge daily gap. Okay. Now we're going to go down to the daily chart and I want to show you guys there's a big daily gap from 150 down to 122. Okay. So I'm going to show you how I like to play daily gaps. Okay. What I do is I zoom in. Oh, I don't even need to zoom in. Well, you come right here, you right click. Okay. And you go create alert. Okay. And then you go to at or below. And I'm going to put a note in here. Okay. That says gap about to fill. And now on my cell phone, wherever I'm at, I will get an alert once Sends is close to filling this gap. And then now I know, okay, hey, well, we filled this daily gap, or we're about to fill this daily gap. Let me determine if it's going to make a recovery here and I want to get a long position, or if it's going to fall lower, right? But a lot of times, it's nice to just have these gaps charted up because let's say this thing does just trade sideways for a really long time. There's a possibility we can have a bullish breakout, okay, and go up to like $5, right? That's our all-time highs. That would be a bullish breakout. So let's just make this one like green or something, okay? And then, if we break down below, we're gonna have a bearish breakout, right? And so if we have a bearish breakout, I think we're most likely going to fill that gap. Now it's not 100% guaranteed, but daily gaps do tend to fill about 90 to 95% of the time. It's just a matter of when. So we'll see what happens on Sens. I do think that small caps are due for a market rotation, but Sens has been performing. I mean, not too bad. Okay, I mean it hasn't done well since November, right? And a lot of small caps have taken a beating. But overall, the price of this one has remained semi flat. Okay, since let's look here since like summer. Okay, it's been trading right around $2, 250 up to $4. It's kind of just trading in between that range. And these are the trend lines to watch for a bullish breakout. Okay, or I'm sorry, for any kind of breakout. All right, if you're bullish on it, if you're bearish on it, whatever, there's a daily gap down. And if you're bullish, look for it to break this trend line and don't buy into a false breakout. Okay. There's plenty of false breakouts where it wicks up above, right? What you need for a breakout is confirmation of the candlesticks like opening and closing. Okay. So this one wicked above it. And then if this candlestick would have been above this line and open and closing above it, then you could have had more confirmation that it was going up versus just buying in because it broke out and then just for it to go back down after breaking out around like $3, 3.90, $4, for it to drop down to $2.50. Okay, that's what's known as a false breakout. So just be cautious of those, and keep an eye on these trend lines. Okay, if we break this trend line, we may come down and fill this gap down here. And if we have a breakout up there, then we could see all-time highs again and possibly go up to like 5. All right. $5 range. So let me know what you guys think of this video down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Really helps the channel out a lot. And if you want to trade with us, join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. You get our intraday thought process, what we think about the market, what stocks we're looking at, what options we're looking at, what cryptos. And that's every day. It's a pretty active community, and lots of like good people in there making money, no scammers. Everything's legit.